The Mailing Boss autoresponder. This Mailing Boss allows you to grow your email list. Now, I know you've heard from many different marketers and professionals, such as uh, Amy Porterfield, such as Seth Godin, such as uh, John Lee Dumas, um, all these entrepreneurs that Dan Lok, they recommend that you start off your business by building your email marketing list. So Mailing Boss allows you to do this because it will allow you to set up an email sequence, create your email marketing list, and use that sequence to follow through and send these emails to your prospective um, audience. So this is a great piece of equipment and a tool that's already built into Builderall that you get with the package. One of the tools that you get with the Builderall system. So let's go to another thing that I talked about. So that's the third thing, was the Mailing Boss email autoresponder and email marketing platform that is built into Builderall. And the fourth thing, excuse me, that I wanted to talk about was Builderall has the ability for you to create digital products with your own to sell within the marketplace or to sell on your website. So what we want to do is we want to sell or create a digital product. What we have here is the e-learning platform. So the e-learning platform here is going to allow you to create courses here and enroll students and assign teachers and lessons and everything like that. And as you can see on my page, I'm actually developing two different courses here, and I just haven't sent them. They're not in these. They're still in development right now, which is why you don't see I have any students set up. But think about this: you can create a course easily. You can go ahead and get your students signed up. You can display who the teacher is. You can see how many courses that you have on the dashboard. You can do you can add tests to your course. It's a very robust system to create courses to sell for your digital products and courses. Let me give you an example. You don't need to purchase something like Kajabi or Coursera or something like that, in addition to your email building, your web browser, or your web, not your web browser, but your web page builder, your funnel builder, and your email marketing platform. So that's, and then you have Kajabi or something like that, Teachable or Coursera, where you have another additional costs. So you're paying for four different products when you could just buy this. You could just purchase the one product here and get all of those tools wrapped up in one. That's why I love this. I mean, I utilize this myself. This is not me just talking just to talk about this particular product. I utilize it myself. It's a great product to use because it allows you to do so much. Now let's go back here, and there's one more piece of it's a bonus. Let's just say it's a bonus that I forgot to talk about earlier, and this is the webinar platform. With the webinar platform here, this allows you to, if you want to sell, I know that you've heard from a lot of different types of entrepreneurs that are out there. One of the greatest ways to sell your digital product, and I'm in the process of creating 4 digital products right now. I already have 2 created. One of the greatest things that you can do to help promote your digital product launch, other than getting the infrastructure together, make sure people can purchase it, is that you want to create a webinar. You can create webinars with Builderall within the platform. That's why it's so great. It's such a great it's such a great way to get people to get access to your particular content and create a webinar from scratch that's already built into the same platform. And that way you can, after you finish the webinar with and you teach, you go on there and you teach for 45 minutes or so about your content and provide value to your visitors and your audience. You can also promote and sell your digital product on that webinar platform. So that is the last overall product that I want to talk to you about with Builderall, because Builderall has so many products, but I think that those are the initial five in total, but four that I talked about earlier, and the bonus being the webinar, that I know you are going to be excited about as much as I am to jump into this thing where I'm building up a bunch of funnels, and it's a great platform to get on because of its cost. And it's a great platform that has all the tools that you're going to need to help develop your own digital business. So there you have it, guys. That's just a brief introduction to all of the built-in tools that you see in the Builderall platform. And hopefully you got a lot of value out of that, because it'll allow you to know that you could just get one product, one software, one service that allow you to take the place of 5 different ones. It saves you a bunch of money and allows you to choose to build your business from scratch, especially if you're starting off with not that much money or income. Be aware that a lot of the other companies and a lot of the other products out there start off around the $200 range, whereas Builderall, with everything included for you to start off, would be about $29. But all the tools I talked about today, just additional being the webinar platform, that brings it up to $49. So $50 a month, you get all of those amazing tools to utilize as you're growing your business. It is such a fraction of a price of a lot. Subscribe if you like the content. Leave a comment if there's something that you want me to cover within building any type of platform or any type of digital or component of digital business. If you want me to build a website, if you want me to see me build a sales funnel, if you want to see me build an email sequence, if you want to see me go through that and you set up autoresponder, any of those things, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. There is a bonus, there's a a link down there below to access the Builderall, to go ahead and get I've utilized and I have gotten a 7-day free trial for you guys if you want to, and you can go ahead and check it out and see what you think about it. I know it's going to help your business and help you your growth. So with that being said, also you can go ahead and always check down the links down below for every other content, and I'll go ahead and post content every 3 days. You'll see something from this channel, and it'll be something that'll help you out, and it's something that's going to be valuable for you. Okay, with that being said, peace.